Oh, horses now too slow out. Rivers of Gold. Wishful Splendor, stop running. Azala leader, that's one. I Jane by about 4 lengths. Reconstruction, Break and Shine, Casablanca, Babes Magic, Perfection is moving up on the outside is Rivers of Gold. And that's still one. I Jane by about 6 lengths. Casablanca now in second. Reconstruction, Babes Magic, Rivers of Gold, and Break and Shine. And that's still one. I Jane by about 2 lengths. Casablanca now in second. Rivers of Gold in third. Babes Magic, Reconstruction. And that's still one. I Jane goes on by about 2.5 lengths. Casablanca, Rivers of Gold. Babes Magic still racing in third. And that's still one. I Jane by about 2 lengths. Casablanca still in second. Babes Magic trying to get close now in third. But that's still one. I Jane, Casablanca, Babes Magic as they come down at the last of the one. I Jane now by about 4 lengths. Casablanca, Babes Magic now moving up on the outside. One. I Jane, Babes Magic to take second, and finally One. I Jane, Babes Magic, Casablanca, Rivers of Gold, Reconstruction, Break and Shine, Perfectionist.
Okay, bayang karerista, para din sa inyo race number 8, our unofficial winner is entry number 1, that is One Eye Jane, the favorite. At dito, segundo po, numero 3, Babes Magic. Papasok naman po para sa inyong trifecta, numero 8, Casablanca, numero 5, Rivers of Gold. So, 1, 3, 8, 5 po para sa inyong unofficial placing for this race number 8. Muli po natin balikan ang inyong kakatapos lang na karera. Let us all watch.